Community members will report a minimum of 1 annual physical assessment from a healthcare provider. Children within the community will report a minimum of 30 minutes of physical activity 3 times per week. Community and population health nursing begins with a thorough community assessment. Using data that identified needs and deficits in healthcare and identifying aspects of the community's health that could benefit from research initiation are 2 benefits of a thorough community assessment. The focus assessment that addresses the 6 determinants in the dimensions model of health is a community assessment that aids the formation of healthcare planning and assists in targeting services, raising community awareness of the issue to be addressed, provides benchmarks for determining progress in addressing needs, and promotes collaboration in improving health. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thanks for listening.